It has been barely a month since the new generation Mercedes-Benz GLS was launched in India, with prices starting at 99,90,000 rupees. This is the third generation model of Mercedes' flagship SUV, and it will be assembled at the company's plant in Chakan, Pune. Now, we already drove the GLS in USA last year, and should you want to watch our extensive review, search for it on Car and Bike's YouTube channel. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a massive mountain of an SUV. It is definitely bigger than its predecessor and gets significant design updates as well. Also, its hulking stance and a huge footprint makes it command immediate attention on the roads. But let's not get into the nitty-gritty of design and size. Let's dive right into the cabin of the car and see what all creature comforts and features it has to offer. The design cues inside the cabin are inspired by its sibling, the GLE. And apart from the well-crafted, beautifully appointed interior, the first thing that you see are the two massive 12.3-inch displays which are placed together and come across as one single pane of glass, acting as the instrument console and the touchscreen infotainment system. Mercedes-Benz introduced its MBUX system in India on the GLC facelift SUV, and now most new Mercedes cars and SUVs have the company's Mercedes Me connectivity system as well, along with a voice assistant, to whom you can ask questions and navigate to points of interest. The MBUX system offers convenience and connectivity along with a bunch of other features and services. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
I need a coffee.
Here is what I found. Which one should I select?
Why don't we go to Coffee to Cocktails bar?
What do you want to do now?
Navigate.
Do you want to start route guidance or modify the current route guidance?
Start route guidance.
Calculating route. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Thank you. So, there you go. If you're feeling hungry or need to fill up, then you could ask your car to direct you to the nearest restaurant or petrol pump in a similar manner. In all probability, this is going to be a car where the owner will spend his maximum time at the rear, in the middle row. And in order to truly call itself the S-class of SUVs, the middle row needs to be the most luxurious place in the cabin. Oh, and in case you or someone elderly feels that the SUV is too high off the ground, you could lower the suspension and make it easier for people to step in or step out. The middle seats in the Mercedes-Benz GLS are very plush and comfortable. So, should you want, you can just pull down this here and turn it into an armrest, complete with the storage space here and a wireless charging tray for your mobile phone. Apart from that, after a long hard day of work, you can just come and sit here, put on some good music, soak in the sound from the 13-speaker Burmester audio system and catch a few winks. The GLS gets ambient lighting in 64 colors. And if you're of those kinds who like to stay on their phones at all times, the SUV gets a total of 11 Type-C USB ports inside the cabin. But in order to use them, you will need some sort of an adapter. Plus, the rear seat occupants can get the optional rear seat entertainment package fitted on their SUVs and stay entertained on the move. And if you want to see the sky, the GLS offers a massive panoramic sunroof as well. Only the driver and the co-passenger get seat massage functions with multiple settings so that they stay refreshed on a long drive. The middle row seats on the GLS can be moved fore and aft within a range of 100 millimeters, and the front passenger seat, it can itself be moved from the rear by the press of a button. Also, the third row seats themselves can be folded down electrically. Speaking of the third row, you do get that plush feeling, but space is definitely at a premium. The seats themselves are very comfortable, and it's not as if you don't get any features here. You have these AC vents for your comfort. Apart from that, you have a dedicated cup holder, and you get two C-type USB ports to charge your mobile phones and gadgets. For long distances though, the third row is best suited for kids or adults whose height is 5 feet 5 inches or less. Getting in and out of the third row could be a pain though, because the middle row seats move very slowly and do not offer enough space to go in easily. The Mercedes-Benz GLS looks big, bold and imposing, especially on the move. It occupies quite a bit of tarmac, and you will see this SUV coming at you from a mile away in your rearview mirror. Needless to say, this SUV can transport up to 5 adults and 2 children or a pet in utmost comfort. Be it the right quality of the GLS itself or the plethora of creature comfort it has to offer, be it optional or standard. All things put together, the Mercedes-Benz GLS definitely lives up to its moniker of being called the S-Class of SUVs.